Today we talk about OPC UA. OPC UA is a modern OPC technique. OPC UA means the OPC Unified Architecture. It's the latest open standard architecture developed by the OPC Foundation. Why use OPC UA? OPC UA just to improve and expand the interoperability standard in the industrial automation field. We use OPC DA, we call cluster OPC, is many years, but it still have something is a disadvantage. So first we should know OPC DA, cluster OPC is a disadvantage. First is OPC DA dependent on Microsoft DCOM technology. It's only used the Windows operation system. Second is a security issue. Is a very big trouble. Third one is data organization limit. So, but OPC UA the advantage is it's a cluster platform. You can use it in Windows operation system, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11. Also, you can use Linux. It's Red Hat or something. It's iOS. It's iPhone on the Mac OS, Macintosh laptop, and Android operation system. Also, OPC UA, you can change in data exchange. You can use web service, get data exchange between a machine and for communication to factory floor device. Third one, data access service communication directly with the data, the alarm and the event service is easy communication each other. Okay. OPC UA is an object-oriented menu to exchanging data. Is not the isolated data point. OPC DA is your assigning data is variable, is one by one. It's very difficult sometimes. Is spend more time. Sometimes they'll make mistake. But in OPC UA use an object-oriented menu. You just look like a package. Okay, it's an increased accessibility of your planned flow data, but let you reuse information stored in a common object. Third one is OPC UA is a server-oriented module. Increased interoperability with other platforms and improve security. It's a server-oriented module, so you can use cluster platform. Okay. Here is the I use OPC UA between the S7 1500 and the SCADA ignition. You can see it's the object-oriented menu. This object-oriented menu we set up is the project is i7-15 OPC UA. So if you need OPC UA, you can find all the stuff needs OPC UA. i7-15 OPC UA. If you know how to use its communication Siemens i7-15 with SCADA software ignition, you can go to my channel, YouTube channel, to find this video. Okay. This one is the I use the Siemens i7-15 is SCADA Avita Edge. Its communication still look here is the object-oriented menu model is the PLC1. Yeah, all the stuff in here. Easy to access here. PLC1, all stuff in here. This is called object-oriented menu to exchanging data. Okay. There is OPC UA diagram. It's showing OPC UA servers, OPC UA client. This OPC servers, OPC UA client. Okay, how to communication is the SCADA. This OPC UA system architecture. Here is the bottom is the device, site device, and the DCS controller use OPC UA communication each other. Also, it's DCS communication with mobile robot is OPC UA. Okay, here is go to cloud is OPC UA. Is satellite. Okay, OPC UA in automation pyramid. Here is OPC UA. Where is OPC UA in here? OPC UA meta model. Okay, this is a physical layer. It's meta model. Is OPC UA model is there. Okay. Okay, OPC UA including servers and client. OPC UA servers enable OPC UA client to read from service or listen to events. Second one is write to service or invoke message. OPC UA servers just publish all the project notes by default. You can select which nodes to publish to the assigned user. Yeah, all the project nodes, just the OPC UA service publish all the project nodes. Okay. Endpoint URL. This OPC UA is very important. We have to use this one. It's called endpoint URL is opc.tcp/localhost 591 and 100. What's mean here is it explain opc.tcp is mean communication protocol. It's called, if you see opc.tcp, that's OPC UA. Is localhost is a network address. You can use 3 model to explain. It's localhost. It's called localhost. And the host name is the name of the network device and the IP address. We often use the IP address to network device is host. Okay. This called OPC UA server port number 59100 is different. OPC UA servers have different number. Is port number. You have to use depending on the which OPC UA service. Okay. Here is the Siemens type port communication with the keep server. We use OPC UA keep server. There is the OPC UA endpoint URL. Okay. OPC UA client. OPC UA client accessed node is not published by OPC UA to read from service or listen to events, write to service or invoke message. At runtime, use the important node to create application logic. You can specify the node to import at the design time or at the runtime. For example, OPC UA client can read a specific object variable or listen to events generated by alarm. So, specific object variable. Okay. Security certification on the certificate authority. This is very important in OPC UA. OPC UA client and the service application have application listings certificate. to provide application level security. So you have to confirm security certification or certificate authority. If you're not confirmed, you can't do OPC UA. OPC UA certificates are used for encrypting, decrypting, or signing the date, as well as identification of OPC UA service and the client application. OPC UA uses certificate to identify each other, to establish a security channel. Then also the data is encrypted. Here is the metric OPC UA. Explore. Look, here is service information or authentication. You should connect. Also, you confirm this one. Okay. Here is the UA expert software. You have to confirm is certification validation. Okay. If you are not confirmed, it doesn't work. Okay. This is all the OPC UA. I just briefly talk about it. Now let's use the simulate with OPC UA software to do something. First one is the browser OPC UA simulation service. Third one is UA expert. This OPC UA client, new OPC UA client. You can download from the website. Okay. Here, just a starting service is running. This is a simulation service. Okay. It connects this one OPC endpoint of URL. We can use this one. Endpoint, yeah. We can use this one. Connect here. Is copy. Then go to the UA expert. We click here, add. We remove. Test OPC UA. We custom. Click here. We copy this one. Is here OPC Louis W1 with this one. Same thing this one. This one, okay. Go to the simulation. We use the now. Okay. Here is OPC. Is simulation all the stuff in here. We can use here count random this one. Here's object. You can see this one, all this reading is number 16, 18. Here service is communication. Okay. That here is OPC service. OPC UA service, this OPC UA client, just communication. Okay, this is a certification. You have to open with use endpoint here. Okay. Here just communication, no, it's the same thing. Okay, that's it. OPC UA is a modern OPC technique, but OPC DA or cluster OPC still is very popular in the industrial automation field. So today we just talk about just introduce OPC UA, how to use OPC UA communication with SCADA communication. You can check my video. OPC UA. Here we talk about how to communication SCADA integration with the Siemens SM15 OPC UA or ABCCW communication integration by OPC UA is use Cogent. Use this software. Use Cogent Data Hub, this software to communication, okay? Also, we use set up metrical OPC with Siemens type port. The Siemens type port UA expert. Siemens is type port is from version 16 or version 15. Is embedded OPC UA is very easy on communication. So here is also we use SM15 is OPC UA between SCADA Viva Edge. Okay.